Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a continuation of exercise 15.2 problem number 7. In my previous video I have completed till problem number 6. Let us see what is the question number 7. A solid consists of a right circular cylinder, a cone. A solid it is a closed figure. A solid consists of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter and its height is 180 centimeter. Here the question is very easy. They have told properly here. A solid consists of a right circular cone. Let me draw a small right circular cone. A solid consists of a circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter standing on a hemisphere. This cone is standing on a hemisphere. This is the solid. Okay, closed figure. A solid consists of a right circular cone standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter. They have told this cone and hemisphere radius is 60 centimeter and the height of the cone is, they have told, 120 centimeter. Okay. So what they have told, this complete solid is placed upright in the right circular cylinder full of water. It is kept in a cylinder which is full of water. Okay, let us draw one cylinder. Let me draw a cylinder and they have told in that cylinder this solid is placed which is full of water. This solid is full of water. Okay. So this solid is placed in this cylinder till the bottom, completely till it touches the bottom. So this solid is placed in this cylinder. Okay, this cylindrical shape container, this solid is placed and it is touched the bottom. Find the water left in the cylinder. See, it was the cylinder is this container. This cylinder is full of water. As this solid is placed in this, the water will automatically flows out, right? The water will flows out. We know that the cylinder is full of water. As we will put this solid in the cylinder, the water will come out, right? It is full of, for example, we can take a full glass of water. If we take full glass of water and we will put some stone in that, so the water will come automatically outside, right? Because this stone will replace the place of water. So here also the solid is replacing the water. So how much water is left out is not, how much water will be flows out, it is nothing but volume of solid. How much water will flows out will be the volume of solid. How much solid this solid will take the place in the cylinder, that much water will flows out, right? So let us start writing now. How, what they have told, find the volume of water left in the cylinder. Volume of water left in the cylinder is equal to nothing but what? It is nothing, volume of full water, volume of cylinder minus volume of solid. What we have to do? From the full volume of cylinder full of water, if we remove the volume of solid, because as we put the solid, the water fall down, right? So how much water fall down is nothing but volume of solid. From the cylinder, if we remove volume of solid, that is nothing but left water in the cylinder. Okay, this only we have to find out. Now let us see, volume of solid is what? Volume of solid is made up of, volume of solid is nothing but volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Yes, so volume is, solid is made up of cone and hemisphere, so plus. But here what? We have to remove this cone, solid, because as we put the solid, the water flows out, so volume of water flows out is equals to volume of solid. So minus solid, if we remove, remaining water we will get. Now let us see what all the things are given. For cylinder, what is given? For cylinder, then we have for cone, what they have given, and for hemisphere, what they have given. 3 things it is given. Let us see what all the things are given for all these things. For cylinder, they have told a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Radius 60 centimeter. Cylinder radius 60 centimeter and the height is given 180 centimeter. Height of the cylinder is 180 centimeter it is given. So the cylinder is radius 60 centimeter and height 180 centimeter. And in cone, regarding cone, they have given radius same 60 centimeter, but height of the cone they have given 120. And hemisphere is nothing but radius 60 centimeter. Here we can see the radius is same for 3 things also, because radius same. Here also radius same. Now let us find the first volume of solid, because we need to remove volume of solid from volume of cylinder. So first let us find volume of solid. Volume of solid is nothing but volume of cone. That is, volume of cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. We need to remember the formula well, plus volume of hemisphere is nothing but 2 by 3 pi r cube. So here 1 by 3 is common. Let me take that 1 by 3 outside. Here also 1 by 3 is there. Here also 1 by 3 is there. 2 will be as it is. So pi will be common. I have taken pi common. R square is common. So what is left? 1 by 3 common. I have taken pi common. R square common. H. And here 2 left, because 1 by 3 I have taken common. Pi also outside. From r cube, r square is common. 1 r left. Okay. So let us start substituting the value. 1 by 3. Pi value is 22 by 7. R square. R is 60. 60 into 60. And h value is, it is the height of cone. We are seeing the cone. So let us see in cone 120 plus 2 into 60. Okay. Now here we can see, we can cut 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 60. So here 22 ones are 22 into 60 twos, 20s are 6 twos are 12, 2 zeros, 0 into 0 is double 0, it is 6 twos are 12. So upon 7 as it is into 120 plus 6 twos are 12, 120. So what we got here next? That is 22 into 1200 into 120 plus 120 is 240 upon 7. This if we multiply, we know how to multiply very well. So these 3 things if we multiply, first these 2, then with this if we multiply, we are going to get 6336 0 0 0, 3 zeros as it is. 12 into 22 into 24 if we multiply, 6336 0 0 0 upon 7 as it is. We will keep this as volume of solid. Let us find now volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder now we need to find. Volume of cylinder formula is nothing but pi r square h. Pi value is 22/7, r value is 60 into 60 and h is 180. Height of the cylinder. So nothing can be cancelled here. So we have to multiply 22 into 6 6 are 36, 00 as it is, into 1800 upon 7. If we multiply these 3, we get 14256,000. If we multiply this 3, if we multiply 14256,000, we will get after multiplication. So we got this volume of cylinder. Now actual thing we need is volume of water left. Volume of water left in the cylinder is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of solid. Volume of cylinder just now we got 14256,000 upon 7, and volume of solid we have found here. Volume of solid what we have got 6336000, that is 6336000 upon 7. Now we can see a denominator is same. I'll write denominator 7 as it is. We have to minus this. If we minus this, we are going to get 79200 centimeter cube. Volume it is. So volume always in cubic centimeter. So we got here after division. As we go on dividing this, we are going to get 113,142.8.57. Because you people are a grown-up student of 10th standard, I am teaching 10th standard maths, so you know how to divide and all. So I am not wasting time in showing division and all. If you don't know the division and multiplication, you can watch my previous video where I have teach clearly multiplication and division. So if we divide this, we are going to get 113,142.8.57 centimeter cube. So let me write, this is the volume of water left in the cylinder. We got the answer. But at the back of the textbook it is given in meter cube. It is given centimeter. We have to write in meter cube. We know that 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeter. From centimeter to meter, big to small, like 100 to 1 we should go. So now 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 1 centimeter is equals to what we need to do? 1 upon 100 meter. So centimeter, from centimeter if we want to bring into meter, then 1 upon 100. Here centimeter cube, we can see here it is centimeter cube. So what we have to do is 1131428.57 we got answer upon centimeter cube. 100 into 100 into 100 we have to bring, then only it becomes meter cube. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros are. 6 zeros means this decimal point jump to 1 2 3 4 5 6. It will jump here, that is 1.131. No need to write so big number. So 1.131 meter cube is the answer. Therefore water left in the cylinder is nothing but 1.131 meter cube. So this is about the question number 7. So let us see the question number 8, which is the last problem of this exercise. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 centimeter long. A spherical glass vessel, what they have told? A spherical glass vessel, let me draw the sphere. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck. Like this shape it is. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck. Okay. 8 centimeter long. What it is? 8 centimeter long and 2 centimeter in diameter. Let me draw 2 centimeter in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. The whole diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. They have told by measuring the amount of water it holds, a child find its volume to be 345 centimeter cube. For example, this tumbler, like it is a spherical vessel. It is of neck 8 centimeter and diameter of the neck 2 centimeter, and the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter is full of water. It holds a child. By seeing the vessel, a child says that it volumes to be 345 centimeter cube. Maybe the volume of this vessel is 345 centimeter cube. A child is just guessing. Check whether she is correct, taking the above as the inside measurements and pi 3.14. We have to check whether what the child is saying is correct or not. Let us see the volume. Let us find the volume by this measurement and let us see the answer is approximately 345 or what. Okay. How we can find the volume of this vessel? Volume of vessel is equal to volume of sphere plus sphere and cylinder. It is volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder. Okay. So for sphere what is given? And for cylinder what is given? Let us see. Sphere is nothing but diameter they have given 8.5. So radius is nothing but 8.5 by 2. So let us remove this point. If we remove this point, we know that 85 by 20, that is 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35, that is 17 by 4 we get. 17 by 4 centimeter. Sphere radius we got. For cylinder what is given? Cylinder height is given 8 centimeter and diameter is given 2 centimeter. So radius will be 2 by 2. 2 get cancelled, 1 centimeter. Let us substitute in the formula. Volume of vessel is equal to volume of sphere formula. We need to know very well, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube sphere plus volume of cylinder formula is nothing but pi r square h. Pi common, only pi is common because radius are different. I'll take only pi as common. So let me write 4 by 3 as it is, r cube as it is, plus here r square plus h. The radius is different. Pi value in the question they have told we should take 3.14. 3.14 into 4 by 3. R of sphere, radius of sphere is nothing but 17 by 4. 17 by 4 into 17 by 4 into 17 by 4 by 3 times r cube plus r square. It is cylinder radius is 1. 1 into 1 h is 8. Okay. So this we got. Now 3.14 as it is. Here we can cut 1 4. Okay. 17 into 17 into 17. That is nothing but 4913. 17 17s are into 17. That is 4913. 4 4s are 16. 16 3s are 48. Plus sign as it is. 8 1s are 8. Okay. So 3.14 as it is, I'll keep upon 4913 as it is, plus 48 into 8. 48 8s are 384. Upon complete 48 I'll write is equal to 3.14 into 4913 plus 384 is 5297 if we add upon 48. So this we need to divide 3.14 into, if we divide this 5297 upon 48, 110.35 we get. So this 110.35 we need to multiply with 3.14. So we are going to get, if we multiply this, 346.512, which is approximately near to 345. The child has guessed about the volume. So we got here the guessing volume is 345, which is exactly nearer to what we got, 346.512 we got. That is volume of vessel. So we need to check whether she is correct. So the last answer we need to write is yes, she is correct, because we got correct answer what the child was guessed. So this complete the exercise 15.2. In my next video we are going to start 15.3 exercise. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.